Guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to use a laptop as a second monitor on Windows. Connecting to your main computer is relatively straightforward. You can just connect them via USB-C or HDMI. Through laptop, display ports can only output other devices, not receive inputs. But here's how to do it wirelessly instead. On Windows 10, 1. On the device you're using as a second screen, open Settings. 2. Click System and then projecting this PC from the left pane. 3. Again, you can adjust the settings here to your liking. 4. From the main computer, press the Windows key plus P and click the Connect to a wireless display link at the bottom. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi turned on for this to work. 5. From the options that appear, choose Extend. 6. Click Connect to a wireless display, then choose the name of your other laptop when it appears. The two displays will now be linked, and you should be able to move your cursor and other files between them. You might find it's not as quite stable as a wired connection, in which case you may still want to consider a new monitor. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.